Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve insurance deductibles with State Farm, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve your insurance deductibles with State Farm, start by reviewing your current policy. Understand the type of coverage you have and the deductibles associated with it. Consider whether your deductible is too high or too low based on your financial situation. Research what deductibles are available for your specific policy types. Determine the average costs for claims in your area to assess your needs. Contact your State Farm agent to discuss your current deductibles. Ask your agent about options to lower your deductibles. Inquire about bundle discounts if you have multiple policies. Evaluate your claims history to identify patterns in usage. Consider increasing your deductible if you rarely file claims. Run calculations to compare potential savings on premiums versus potential costs during claims. Review any available discounts that could impact your overall premium. Ask your agent about loyalty programs that might benefit you. Take advantage of any online tools offered by State Farm for policy management. Revisit your insurance plan annually to ensure it meets your needs. Stay informed about any changes in insurance regulations or market trends. Keep a record of all communications with your agent for future reference. By following these steps, you can make informed decisions about your insurance deductibles with State Farm. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.